Hello guys, how are you? Hope all of you are well and enjoying your life. So today we are on the next part of the history MCQs, and as you have seen, these are very much important. And now for the sake of time, the interest of time that I know and we know rather that if we make the video longer, it will be difficult for you to control on the things. So we splitted the number of videos, number of lectures to the extent 15 to 20 minutes. So in each and every batch, you will get around 30 questions to discuss with. So you'll not feel bored and enjoy the entire things. So please go to the channel. You'll find this is the MCQ questions on the various topics that will definitely help you to achieve your targets. So explore the channel, and now we are continuing with the history MCQs. And the first question coming to you is this: Who is known as the Birdman of India? Who is known as the Birdman of India? And the options are Humayun Abdwali, B. Salim Ali, C. Bishomoy Biswas, D. Purnacharya Tejashwi. And the right answer is Salim Ali. Next question. Who was the first Indian to be a member of British Parliament? Who was the first Indian to be a member of British Parliament? And the options are A. Jamshedji Tata, B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy, option C. Dadabhai Naroji, and D. Surendranath Banerjee. The right answer is Dadabhai Naroji. Dadabhai Naroji was the first Indian to be a member of British Parliament. Next question. The Onam festival is mainly celebrated in which state? Onam festival celebrated in which state? And the option is A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha. Which state Onam is being celebrated? And the right answer is Kerala. Next question. Kuchipudi is the classical dance from the state. Kuchipudi is the classical dance from which state? Options are option A. Tamil Nadu, option B. Kerala, option C. Odisha, option D. Andhra Pradesh. And the right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is the classical dance from Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Bharatnatyam is classical dance from the state. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance from the state. Which state? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Karnataka, C. Kerala, D. Andhra Pradesh. Which is the right answer? And the right answer is Tamil Nadu. Bharatnatyam is a classical dance from Tamil Nadu. Next question. Total number of caves present in Ajanta caves, Maharashtra is total number of caves in Ajanta caves. What is the number? A 41, B 33, C 21, D 30. What is the right answer? I repeat, A 41, B 33, C 21, D 30. And the right answer is 30. The total 30 number of caves present in the Ajanta caves. Next question. Total number of caves present in Ellora caves in Maharashtra. The options are A 20, B 34, C 31, D 11. And the right answer is 34. There are 34 number of caves in Ellora. Next. Mahakumbh Mela can be held on the same place after every how many years? Mahakumbh Mela can be held on same place after every option A 3 years, option B 5 years, option C 6 years, option D 12 years. The right answer is 12 years. Next question. Kumbh Mela cannot be held in which city? Kumbh Mela cannot be held in which city? And the options are option A Varanasi, option B Haridwar, option C Nasik, option D Ujjain. And the right answer is Varanasi. Kumbh Mela cannot held in which city? That is Varanasi. Next question. Officially, Indian Republic celebration continues for a duration of. Officially, Indian Republic celebration continues for a duration of, and the options are A 1 day, B 2 day, C 3 day, D 4 day. And the right answer is 3 day. Next question. Total number of spokes present in Ashoka Chakra. Total number of spokes present in Ashoka Chakra. What is the number? And the options are A 18, B 12, C 26, D 24. And the right answer is 24. Next question. When the postal index number PIN was first introduced in India. When the postal index number PIN was first introduced in India. And the options are A 1947, B 1950, C 1956, D 1972. And the right answer is 1972. Next question. Total number of PIN postal index number zone in India Postal Service is total number of zone in PIN is option A 5, option B 9, option C 10, option D 12. And the right answer is 9. There are total 9 zones in the postal pins. That is called postal index number. Next question. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated in India on. Pravasi Bharatiya Divas is celebrated in India on. Option A 9th January, option B 12th February, option C 19th January, option D 22 June. And the right answer is 9th January. Next question. French is one of the official language of which union territories? French is one of the official language of which union territories? And the options are option A Goa, option B Daman and Diu, option C Pondicherry, option D Lakshadweep. And the right answer is Pondicherry. French is one of the official language in Pondicherry. Next question. According to census 2011, which state has the highest sex ratio with 1084 women per 1000 men? According to census 2011, which state has the highest sex ratio with 1084 women per 1000 men? And the options are option A Maharashtra, option B West Bengal, option C Tamil Nadu, and option D Kerala. And the right answer is Kerala. Next question. Which one is the most literate state in India according to 2011 census? Which one is the most literate state in India according to 2011 census? And the options are A Mizoram, B Kerala, C Lakshadweep, D Manipur. And the right answer is again Kerala. Next question. The first Indian national election under constitution held in the year. The first India national election under the constitution held in the year. In which year the first Indian national election happened as per the constitution? And the options are option A 1948, option B 1950, option C 1952, option D 1955. And the right answer is 1952. Next question. Tata Airlines is now known as. Options are option A Indigo, option B Air India, option C Jet Airways, option D Indigo. And the right answer is Air India. Next question. The international hub of Jet Airways is located at. The international hub of Jet Airways is located as options. Option A England, option B Germany, option C France, option D Belgium. And the right answer is Belgium. Right guys? Let's go to the next question. How many times India has been elected to the UN Security Council? How many times India has been elected to the United Nations Security Council? And the options are option A 5, option B 6, option C 3, option D 7. And the right answer is 7. 7 times India has been elected to the United Nations Security Council. Next question. In which year Reserve Bank of India was nationalized? In which year Reserve Bank of India was nationalized? And the options are option A 1947, option B 1948, option C 1949, and option D 1952. In which year RBI was nationalized? And the option in front of you, and the right answer is 1949. RBI was nationalized. Next question. The largest museum of India is located at. The largest museum of India is located at which place? Option A Kolkata, option B Delhi, option C Mumbai, option D Hyderabad. And the right answer is Kolkata. Technically, locally they are called it Jadughar. It is the largest museum. It is on the near Esplanade, between Esplanade and Park Street. The longest railway platform in India is located at. The longest railway platform in India is located at option A Delhi, option B Patna, option C Kharagpur, option D Gorakhpur. The right answer is Gorakhpur. Next question. In which city the biggest bus terminal of India and South Asia is located? Wonderful. In which city the biggest bus terminal of India and South Asia is located? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, Bangalore. Option D, Chennai. The right answer is Chennai. Next question. First city in India that have a dedicated lanes for bicycle rides. Which is the first city in India that have the dedicated lane for bicycle rides? And options are option A, Bangalore. Option B, Guwahati. Option C, Pune. Option D, Madurai. And the right answer is Pune. In Pune, they have the dedicated lanes for bicycle rides. Next question. In which year UNESCO declared Darjeeling Himalayan Railway as a World Heritage Site? In which year UNESCO declared Darjeeling Himalayan Railway as World Heritage Site? And the options are A, 1976, B, 1989, C, 1994, D, 1999. And the right answer is 1999. Next question. Which railway station is at the highest altitude in India? Which railway station is at the highest altitude in India? And the options are A, Ghum, B, Uti, C, Shimla, D, Solan. And the right answer is Ghum. Ghum is the railway station at the highest altitude in India. Next question. India's first metro railway service in Kolkata was started in the year. In India, the first metro railway service in Kolkata was started, but in which year? And the options are A, 1984, B, 1990, C, 1992, D, 1995. And the right answer is 1984. In 1994, in India, Kolkata has already started the metro railway service. Next question. India's first all-women post office is located at. India's first all-women post office is located at. Option A, Delhi. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, Chennai. Option D, Patna. And the right answer is Delhi. Next question. Mother Teresa received National List Prize in the year. Mother Teresa received Nobel Peace Prize in the year. Which year? And the options are option A, 1979, option B, 1980, option C, 1982, and option D is 1985. And the right answer is 1979. Next question. In which country Mother Teresa was born? In which country Mother Teresa was born? And the options are A, Germany, B, Hungary, C, Macedonia, D, Slovakia. And the right answer is Macedonia. Next question. In which year Maruti Udyog Limited was established in the India? In which year Maruti Udyog Limited was established in India? And the options are A, 1981, B, 1985, C, 1989, D, 1991. And the right answer is 1981. Next question. Which one is the biggest slum area in Asia? Which one is the biggest slum area in Asia? And the options are A, Dharavi, Mumbai, B, East Sipinang, Jakarta, option C, Orangi in Karachi, and D, none of above. And the right answer is Orangi in Karachi. Next question. The population census in India is conducted after how many years the population census in India is being conducted? The options are A, 5 year, B, 10 year, C, 12 year, D, 15 year. And the right answer is 10 year. Next question. Which one is the longest river bridge over a single river in India? Which one is the longest river bridge over a single bridge in India? The options are A, Vikramshila Setu, Bihar, Godavari Bridge, Andhra Pradesh, Mahatma Gandhi Setu, Bihar, Dhola Shadia Bridge in Assam. And the right answer is Dhola Shadia Bridge in Assam. Fine. Now we have covered almost 30-32 questions in this series, and now it is the time of your gift. So to get the gift, you need to go to the description box, and in the description box, sorry, you'll get a link. Click to the link that will take you to the web page, my web page, where your gift is explained, which is a lifetime gift for you, which can turn around your life. So it's a very good opportunity with the Asia's topmost business coaching mentor. Explore it and let me know if I can help anyways. You can connect me through my email ID or through the WhatsApp number given in the description. So thank you so much. God bless you. One more thing, like this video, share the video to the people who really need it, who are appearing in the examination, be it maybe your friends, your family members, help them to grow. So guys, thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Thank you.